Hey there! Frustrated with experiencing the Monopoly Go no internet connection issue? Don't worry. This week, we're diving into how to fix Monopoly Go no internet connection problems and get your game back on track with ease. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting, connectivity issues can be a real bummer. But right steps, you'll be back in the game in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, let's ensure your internet connection is stable. Monopoly Go relies heavily on a consistent connection, and any disruptions can cause it to lose connection. Start by verifying that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi net. If you're using cellular data, ensure you have a strong signal. Reset your Wi-Fi router if necessary, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, check if other apps or websites work properly to confirm if the internet is the source of the problem. Step 2. Restart your device. When in doubt, reboot. A simple restart can magically fix a multitude of tech issues, including connectivity glitches in Monopoly Go. Power off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This step can clear temporary software bugs or stalls that might be interfering with your game's connection to the internet. Once your device is back on, launch Monopoly Go again to see if the issue is resolved. Step 3. Update the Monopoly Go app. Keeping apps updated is crucial for smooth performance. Developers frequently release updates to enhance stability and fix known bugs, including connectivity. Head over to your device's app store and check if an update for Monopoly Go is available. If so, download and install it before launching the app again. An updated app might be all you need to eliminate pesky connection problems. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Over time, app cache and stored data can become corrupted or overloaded, leading to functionality hiccups. Clearing this can help your app run more efficiently. On Android devices, go to Settings, Apps, Monopoly Go, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. If you're on an iOS device, unfortunately, the steps are less straightforward, as iOS doesn't allow direct cache clearing. Here, consider reinstalling the app as a workaround. Be sure to back up your game progress if needed. Step 5. Reinstall the Monopoly Go app. If clearing the cache or updating doesn't resolve the issue, it might be time to fully reinstall the Monopoly Go app. Delete the app from your device and reinstall it from your app store. This can refresh all components and resolve any underlying issues hindering internet connectivity. Remember to log back into your account and make sure your game progress is backed up to avoid losing any in-app purchases or saved progress. Dealing with Monopoly Go's no internet connection errors can certainly be frustrating, but with these straightforward steps, a seamless gaming experience is just a moment away. From checking your internet and restarting your device to updating, clearing caches, and reinstalling, each step brings you closer to the ultimate Monopoly session. Remember to keep your apps updated and maintain a reliable internet connection to enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. By applying these solutions, you'll overcome connectivity nightmares and secure endless hours of strategic fun. Happy gaming!